For the answers for page 10 then. All right, we've talked about the average speed. So to calculate the average speed for the swimming, leg 1, okay, the total distance was 3.0. Triathletes A's total time was 0.8. So we can write that up as 3 kilometers divided by 0.08. If you work that out on the calculator, 3.0 divided by 0.8 equals 3.75. But because we're only working with 2 significant digits, we can round that up to 3.8 kilometers per hour. Total for triathlete B's average speed. So the distance is still going to be the same. So we have distance 3.0 divided by 1. That equals 3. 3. And to make it a significant digit, because we have used 2 digits in each of these, we can make it 3.0. Let's continue with the biking then. With the biking, the total distance is 50 kilometers. Athlete A's total time is 3.0. Let's put that into the calculator then. 50 divided by 3.0, we get 16.666666667, or they call that 16.6 repeating. You can see it's repeating. And we can round that up to 16.7. because we just need 1 decimal past, or one number past the decimal point. So it'll be 16.7. You always round this number. 6 rounds it up to 7. Let's figure triathlete B's average speed. 50 kilometers again, divided by, divided by 50 kilometers divided by 2.5 gives us 20 kilometers per hour. So triathlete B's average speed is 50 divided by 2.5, which equals 20 kilometers per hour. And again, 20, we can put a decimal point and a 0 behind it because we know it's an equal 20. It comes out that way. Let's go on to leg 3, the running, and figuring out the average. Here we have the total distance of 12 kilometers of running. Triathlete A's total time, 1.2 hours. Triathlete B's total time, 1.0. So in that, we're going to figure out the total distance of the triathlon. We have 30 kilometers, 50 kilometers, and 12 kilometers. So we have 30 plus 50 plus 12 gives us up 3. Sorry, this was 3 kilometers plus 50 plus 12 equals 65 kilometers. That can be written out like this. Next part. So it's okay to make a mistake. Just catch your mistake and change it. We're going to clear. And now we're going to go to what is triathlete A's total time. Looking back, we want all of the parts of their time. So it's 0.8 plus 3.0 plus 1.2, and that equals a total of 5. And again, we can write this as 5.0 hours, or 5 hours even. Take your total distance, which is 65 kilometers, and divide it by 5 hours. And what do we get? 65 divided by 5, and we get 13. What does that mean? We add 13 with the label of kilometers per hour, and that's an average speed for triathlete A for the whole triathlon. Let's figure triathlete B. The distance is going to be the same, 65 kilometers. So we put the distance, and now we figure out time. 1 hour plus 2.5 hours plus 1 hour equals 4.5. 4.5 hours. Take that total and put it here, 4.5, because we've set it up as distance divided by time. 65.0 divided by 4.5 equals 14.4 repeating. When this is lower than 5, we can just keep it at 4. We don't have to round up. We actually round down. 14.4. And which triathlete finishes first? Given these two numbers, 13 kilometers per hour or 14.4, we know it is athlete B. Identify. The instantaneous speed is the speed of an object at a given instant in time. The average speed is the speed of an object over a longer period of time. The speedometer in a car gives the car's instantaneous speed. Okay, and if you get it, now I know to calculate the speed of an object, I need to divide the distance by the time. And that's what we were doing up here. If you have questions, contact your teacher.